My kids would say, delicioso. You want to know how I did this beautiful, yummy donuts? Then please stay tuned. Now look at that. Hello there, lovely people. I'm so excited to be back on your screens. This is Elizabeth Stilson. I trust you're all doing well. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and become a part of the Stilson family. So on the menu today, we have donuts. I'm going to take you through the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Right here, we have our all-purpose flour. It's 600 grams. We have our butter is 3 tablespoons. We have our 2 large eggs. We have our milk is 150 ml. And our salt is 1 teaspoon. We have our sugar is 100 grams. Our yeast is 4 teaspoons. And our vanilla essence is 1 teaspoon. Now we're going to start by mixing our dry ingredients together. So we add our yeast to our flour, our sugar, and our salt. Make sure you don't pour the salt directly on the yeast. It will kill it. So you pour it somewhere and then mix it all together. Make sure you mix it well. Cover it up and set it aside. Now in another bowl, we're going to mix all our wet ingredients together. So we're going to crack our eggs. And we're going to add our milk. And now our yeast. Our vanilla essence. Whisk it together. Make sure it's well mixed. Then we set it aside. Bringing back our flour, we're gonna mix our butter with our flour. Now with your palms very clean, rub the flour and the butter in your palms together like this until it's well mixed. So keep rubbing until you get a texture like this. Beautiful. Now we're going to create a well in our flour, add our egg, vanilla essence, milk mixture, and we're going to mix it all together with our flour. So you keep mixing until your dough is well formed, as you can see here. Now we're going to keep kneading our dough. We're going to keep kneading our dough for a good 15 minutes. Now on our working surface, sprinkle some flour on top. Add your dough. Sprinkle some flour on top again and keep kneading. Now we're going to keep kneading this dough for about 10 minutes because I kneaded it earlier for about 5 minutes. So 10 minutes here will make it 15 minutes. We do this to create the gluten that we want. So keep kneading. Please subscribe if you're new here and become a part of the Stilson family. You will love it here. You will learn so much. We're going to create memories together on this channel. So be part of us. Now sprinkle some flour on your working surface again, add your dough, and this time cut it into two. Put one aside. Sprinkle some flour on top again. On a second thought, I think we should cut our dough into two. It will help make work easier. Sprinkle some flour on top. And then with our rolling pin, we're gonna roll this dough. So we'll roll it flat until we get the size that we're looking for. So this is the thickness we're looking for, okay? Now with a round cap, we're gonna cut our donuts. If you have your donut cutter, then it's perfect. However, if you don't, please improvise. Use a round cap. And then after that, you can use a water bottle cap. Cut the middle out. And there you have it. Your donuts. Now using our baking tray, put some baking paper on top and sprinkle it with flour. Put your donuts on it. Now the flour will help prevent the donut from sticking onto the tray. Okay. Now we're going to repeat the process for your benefit. Let me remind you again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel and become a part of the Stilson family. We will appreciate you a lot here. Plus, we'll be learning a lot together. There you have it. Your donut is ready. So we're going to cover this up and leave it for 2 hours for it to rise. In this case, I'm using my foil. We cover it up, leave it in a warm place for it to rise for 2 hours. So this is after 2 hours, guys. And our donut has risen twice its size and ready for us to fry it. Preheat your oil and drop your donuts gently in it. Fry it on a medium heat. If you fry it on a high heat, you're going to burn your donuts. And we do not want that, right? So gently move your donuts around to prevent it from burning. Moving it around and turn it upside down for the other side to also fry. When you see this golden brown look, and when you see this golden brown look, then your donut is ready. Now guys, I've already prepped my sugar. And we're gonna coat these donuts in our sugar. Now do this while the donut is still very hot, so that the sugar can stick on the donut, okay? This batch of our donuts has been resting for a while, and we're gonna dip it in our chocolate glaze, which I made myself using icing sugar, cocoa powder, milk, vanilla essence. I know it doesn't look like the normal chocolate glaze you see on the streets, but trust me, this tastes so yummy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe and share the link. Thank you all for watching. I love you so much, and please keep coming back. Now there you have it. Our sugar-coated donuts and our chocolate glazed donuts. Please subscribe. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.